Hello everyone, this is Pablo from Mailshake. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Hubspot with Mailshake. So Mailshake will fill the top of your funnel and leads will directly show up in your Hubspot. This way you save time and avoid human error and have everything within the workflow that you already have within your CRM, which is Hubspot. So first, I want to show you how to export your leads from Mailshake to HubSpot, and this is how you do it. You simply go to Integrations, Connect New App, go to HubSpot, grant access to your account, and then this is how it looks like. Everything that's trackable when it comes to email and phone, you will have it within your CRM. So, and you will select the stage in which you will populate the deals within the CRM there. And then I'm going to show you how to import contacts from HubSpot to Mailshake automatically. This is how you do it. You simply go to any campaign you have. In the add prospect stage, you import from an app, you select HubSpot, and you can have options. You can import from contacts, like so. So all of these will be populated into this campaign. You can also import from deals, like so. So depending on the stage they're in, you can customize this as well. You can only import raw contacts, for instance, or appointments booked contacts only. It's up to you to create the workflow of that you're looking for. Or you can also actually import from lists. So if you go to here to contacts and then list, you can import them from here. So you're in full control of how to operate this machinery, these automation tools, so they connect and they can communicate with each other. So you can, at the end of the day, save time and get the best results. Thank you. Bye bye.